Welcome back to the Electrical Estimation course by EcoVoltz Engineering. I'm your instructor, HakeemUnLimited, and today we're rediving into one of the most important skills you must master as an electrician or contractor: calculating material quantities accurately. Getting this step right is what separates a beginner from a professional. When you know how to calculate materials properly, you avoid overspending, underordering, and wasting time on multiple store trips. You also protect your profit margin and build your reputation as someone who delivers clean, exact, and reliable work. Let's jump straight into the EcoVoltz method for material calculation. The first step is creating a simple layout or sketch of the project. This doesn't have to be perfect or artistic. Just mark the positions of lights, sockets, switches, fans, and the distribution board. A clear layout helps you see how many fittings you need and how far each cable will run. The second step is measuring distances. You want the exact cable length from the distribution board to each point. For example, if you're wiring two lights that are each 10 meters away from the DP, the total wire required is 10 meters times 2, which is 20 meters. If you have 3 sockets, each needing 8 meters of cable, then 8 times 3 gives you 24 meters. This simple multiplication gives you the base cable length. The third step is adding extra length. At EcoVoltz Engineering, we always add 10 to 15% extra cable for bends, routing adjustments, and unexpected variations on site. This prevents shortages and saves you from wasting transport money. The fourth step is counting fittings. This is simple. 1 socket equals 1 unit, 1 light equals 1 unit, 1 ceiling rose equals 1 unit, and so on. Everything must be counted properly. The fifth step is organizing your list clearly. Break it down into categories: copper cables, conduits, fittings, breakers, panels, and accessories. This makes cost estimation much easier in the next stage. Now let's talk monetization, because EcoVoltz Engineering is not just about technical skills, it's about building your brand and income. Every tool you use when calculating material quantities can be an affiliate opportunity. For example, a laser distance meter is a powerful tool for fast and accurate distance measurement. Many of these devices have affiliate programs on Amazon, Jumia, or other platforms you can promote. You can also recommend digital multimeters, breaker testers, professional cable strippers, and estimation software. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn money. You can even create a beginner-friendly electrical estimation starter kit with your recommended affiliate tools. Another way to monetize is by selling your own EcoVoltz Engineering branded templates. You can create a downloadable material calculation sheet, a cable length calculator, and a fittings checklist that people can use on their projects. This is a great way to make passive income while helping others become better electricians. You can also make short tutorial videos showing how you calculate materials and include your affiliate. Links in the description. The more consistent you are, the more your audience grows and the more you earn. And remember, every calculation you do becomes part of your portfolio and adds to your credibility. So here is your action step. Choose a sample project around you, even a single room or small shop, and calculate the materials using the EcoVoltz method. Create a list, organize it by category, and save it. This will be the foundation for your pricing in the next lesson. Make sure you follow EcoVoltz Engineering and subscribe to HakeemUnLimited Studios for more tutorials, templates, and tools you can use to build your electrical career and income. In the next lesson, we're going to cover labor estimation, how to calculate the time, rate, and cost of the work you do so you never undercharge again. Stay tuned and keep building your skills and your business with EcoVoltz Engineering.